Making a pulled pork pie is a fantastic way to use leftovers, or turn a store-bought shortcut into a hearty, comforting meal. To keep it easy, we'll use pre-made pastry and pre-cooked pork. The ingredients: pulled pork, 500 grams, approx 1 lb of leftover homemade pork or a store-bought tub. Pastry, 1 pack of ready-rolled puff pastry for a flaky lid, or shortcrust pastry for a sturdier pie. The binder, 1/2 cup BBQ sauce or gravy. This keeps the meat from drying out. Vegetables, optional. 1/2 cup of frozen corn, sautéed onions or peas. Egg wash, 1 egg, beaten for that golden brown finish. Step-by-step instructions. Prep the oven and tin. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Lightly grease a pie dish or a deep baking tin with butter or oil. Mix the filling. In a large bowl, combine your pulled pork with the BBQ sauce or gravy and any optional vegetables. If the pork is cold from the fridge, you don't need to heat it up first. The oven will do the work. Line the dish. For a top-only pie, simply pour the filling into the dish. Line the dish. Press ready-rolled pastry into the tin, trim, add the filling, spoon in the pork mixture, and spread evenly. Top and finish. Lay the pastry lid over, trim the excess, and press to seal. Seal and vent. Press the edges of the pastry down with a fork to seal them. Cut a small X or a few slits in the center of the top crust to let the steam escape. The golden touch. Brush the top of the pastry generously with the egg wash. This is the secret to getting that professional bakery-style glow. Bake. Place in the oven for 25-30 minutes, or until the pastry is risen and deep golden brown. Pro tips for success. Avoid the soggy bottom. If you are making a double crust pie, sprinkle a tablespoon of breadcrumbs on the bottom layer of pastry before adding the meat. They will soak up excess moisture and keep the base crisp. Variations to try. The Tex-Mex. Add black beans, jalapenos, and a sprinkle of cheddar cheese inside. The British classic. Use gravy instead of BBQ sauce and serve with mashed potatoes and extra peas. Settings. Use appropriate media.